Welcome to the greatest business course ever. Thank you so much for signing up. Thank you for investing in yourselves. Thank you for trusting us. I'm super excited to share this journey with you as you become, a world-class entrepreneur. You build massive business success over the coming days, weeks, months, years. That ripples into financial success and additional wealth, and then all the contribution and lifestyle and all the other things that come out of that journey. So thank you so much for being here. Over the next few minutes, you're going to receive an email, and that email should come from support@richucation.com. It will include all of the details of how to log in. Anytime you need to log in, you just go to www.richucation.com/members, or you can go to richucation.com and click on the members login button in the top right corner of the screen, and then of course use your username and password. If you, but for some reason, didn't get that email or have any challenges or anything like that, please check your junk mail folder or your spam folder. Mark us as a safe sender, so any notifications, you can make sure you're getting them. And also, if you have any challenges or anything, by all means, you can email us at support@richucation.com. Our team's always happy to help you with anything you might have. You're going to find that the portal is designed very much to be self-serve so that you're able to do most of the things you want, so you don't have to wait on some sort of reply. But anyway, anything you need, please don't hesitate to email us. All right? I want to give you a very, very special offer. And the reason I want to give you this offer is, you're doing a 14-day trial, but you and I both know that you're not going to create this massive business transformation to go to where you want to go in the next day or 2 days or week or 14 days or even probably a month. This is, entrepreneurship is not just something that we're doing as a one-time affair. It's part of who we are, right? And the greatest business course ever is designed to be turn-by-turn navigation to business success. It's designed to predictably accelerate your business growth, your entrepreneurial growth, your entrepreneurial mastery. And as you go along over the next days, weeks, months, years, you're inevitably going to run into new challenges, new questions that you have, new roadblocks. You're going to, have to get an answer on something. And I want you to be able to access those answers, be able to come to us, and we'll be able to help you in going to the next level, right, and getting around those problems. So in order to facilitate that, we have a special offer. There's actually two options that you can choose from. The first is if you were to go and sign up for the program and stick with it for a year, with $67 a month, multiplied by 12 months is $804, okay? So we're going to give you 63 approximately % discount, and instead of $804, it's going to be $297, okay? That's for a year-long sign-up. Now, if you would prefer, and this is the one that I really encourage you mostly to do, that one's good as well, and I really encourage you to do one or the other because why not? You're going to get such tremendous savings. Like $297 is less than $1 a day, right? Very, very affordable. That being said, I'd love to see you commit to yourself for life, all right? Really commit to investing in yourself. And so I want to offer you a lifetime membership that includes everything we do within the greatest business course ever, all the updates each year as we roll them out, all the additional content as we bring it in, everything. You're grandfathered in to take advantage of all of it. And so whether it's a day or a week or a month or 6 months or a year or 5 years from now, you can rest assured that you always have this place to go to get the answers for the challenges that you're having in your business and being able to go to the next level, okay? Along with that, I'm going to honor your 60-day money-back guarantee, meaning that you can lock in the price today. You can lock in this, 63% discount by going with the 1 year $297 package, or if you were to multiply it out over the number of years, it's like 80 or 90+% discount by going with the lifetime $497 package. Okay, so if at any time you want to, you can sign up for it now. You can lock in that price. You can try it for a full 60 days. You can take time to go and explore it and see what you think. And if you have any questions, if you decide for whatever reason it's not for you, there's some issue, you decide that's not what you want to do for your journey, then by all means, just write to us, and no questions asked at all. We will refund your entire amount of money, okay? Now, This is it's a one-time, this is the only time I will ever make this offer to you, okay? It's an unprecedented, ridiculous offer. I look at the value compared to the marketplace. I don't know anything else like it. And so it's only available so long as you're on this page. As soon as you click off this page, it's no longer available. It will no longer be something that you can access, okay? So go ahead, choose whatever you want. It's good for you. I really hope that you choose to stick with us, you know, for as long as possible. I see it as having like an entrepreneurial friend for life who's there to work with you and help you along this journey. So, you know, entrepreneurship can be a lonely thing. That being said, you know, it's totally up to you. Choose whichever one you want. Regardless of your choice, you get your 60-day money-back guarantee. And, you know, when you leave this page, it's gone. So choose, and I'm going to look forward to one way or another. Thank you so much for signing up, and I'm going to see you guys inside.